Hey folks, welcome to this video. I am here to help you start making money on the side, a secondary income, a part-time job, something that you could do to make extra money. I know that you guys have issues such as, daycare, you just don't have money coming in to pay bills, or you don't have a job in general. This website has the top over 50 work-at-home opportunities that you can get going as soon as today. This website is called workathome481.com. That is workathome481.com. I will put it in the description down below. So without further ado, please pay attention. Like I said, pay attention. So this website is the best work at home opportunities in 2018, and it will show you also how to get a free $20. Free 20 bucks, right? You'd be stupid not to get a free $20. It's super easy to get too. All right, so let's check this website out, and you can make your own decisions on what you want to pick up here or try to start making money on the side. Here is another place where you could get your free $20. Just click that link there. All right, so they have email processing jobs. You can get paid $25 for every email you process. All right, you check that out. It's really good. Free work at home opportunity job. Legitimate paid surveys. Get paid to take surveys. Surveys are always good. They pay. There's a 100% free website. Check it out. It's pretty good. 10 ways to make $100 a day. Legitimate flex jobs. Photography jobs online. If you're a photographer, you could check out this. You might be able to make some money taking photos and posting them and stuff like that. This other one here, number 7, is get paid app tester. A lot of companies need app testers to test their apps now with your smartphone, your laptop, your iPad, you could actually test these apps for these companies and make some good money doing it as a secondary income or money on the side. All right, so you could do once again survey jobs, paid social media jobs. People are looking to have outsource their social media, so you could make money posting on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit. If you're good at social media, check that out. It's pretty easy to do. Just posting pictures and stuff for people and content for people. They also have other stuff on the site. There's more opportunities right there for you to work at home. They also show you how to learn how to rank your video high on YouTube and Google in 2018. It says only 3 clicks. It's about that. This is a software that actually helps you get your stuff viral. So if you like posting videos on YouTube, check this out. All right. So let's go back up to the top here. And in conclusion, don't forget to come to workathome481.com. Get your free $20, folks. It's free money. Like I said, free money. All right. Sorry to be so cheesy. So you'd be stupid not to come to this website, especially if you need some extra money. It's free 20 bucks. You could get making money on the side as a part-time job or a secondary income with any of these work-at-home opportunities in 2018. So Work at Home 481, it's in the description. Check it out. You guys have a wonderful day or evening. All right. See you later.